What's up, Hot Wheel collectors? This is your boy, Loud Pack Odor. I'm going to show you my collection of Hot Wheels, supercars, and imports. Now, I'm not going to sit up here and name every last one of them because I don't want my video to be that long, but I'm just going to run through them. These are all the top dollar cars that they have. That if you would buy them in person is what I mean. They're the high dollar cars, supercars, and imports. Here we go. By the way, a lot of these are new models, 2012 models, some 2011 models. That's a black and white M3, I believe. Fast and Furious type BMWs. By the way, these first ones are like my Fast and Furious bunch is what I call them. That's a Honda Civic Night Runners. Or is it Burners? Night Burners, I'm sorry. It's 350Z. Silver with the flames. Yellow 350Z. White 350Z. Excuse me. Sorry about that. That's red Nissan Skyline. It's a blue one right beside it. And that's a Skyline too. I guess that's the older model. Not quite sure. I ain't never seen one like that person. That's the Nissan Silvia. That's the Lancer Revolution, I believe. I said I'm going to name all of them, but I'm going to name the ones that I know. And these are Hondas here. Red, yellow, silver. Alright, these are the 370Zs. Got that in white and red. I thought I had another color. I guess I don't, because it wasn't in my box. Alright, this is my 510 Datsun Bluebird in red and yellow. Hey, this right here is this blue one. This is a Matchbox Infiniti right here. I hadn't seen that one. That might be too close. That's a Matchbox Infiniti. Not too bad. Lights painted and everything on it. Alright, so I have my finger in the screen. Alright, this one here. These three here are the red Infinitis. Red, black, and silver. I think they're the G35s or something like that. Right here, my red BMW M3, white one. This blue car here is a Lexus. It's a Mini Cooper, drop, Mini Cooper Hard, Mini Cooper Racing. Pretty sure y'all have seen most of these cars, but anyway. Alright, let's go back down to the end. That there is a Matchbox 4-door Porsche Panamera. It's a blue Porsche GT2. It's a bad boy, bad candy blue on that sucker there. So one in red, white, silver. A lot of colors on those models. These are the ones with decos on it in blue, the red rims, red tint. White one, same way. And this is one of my newest Porsches, Porsche Boxster, 2012 model. That lime green car is a Matchbox Lotus. I just got this one the other day. This is a Hot Wheels Lotus. Alright, that's a silver Aston Martin. That's another Aston Martin. Not sure what I think those are the F1s or something like that. Not exactly sure. This is an Aston Martin DBS. I got another one in, what is that, turquoise? Alright, these two are Matchbox models. I think those are DBSs too, just drop top. I got it in red also. That's the Hot Wheels Bentley. Bentley GT Coupe Continental. That's a new model. When I found this one, this was the only one out of the whole pile too, because I got lucky. And this is the Matchbox model, same car. You see how it was, had to add a little bit more detail with the lights and stuff, and grill and everything. Alright, that's a Matchbox drop top Benz G55. That's I want to say an ML30 Benz truck. That's a Matchbox Audi R8, I think. That's the Audi station wagon. And this is a Holden. It's Matchbox. I know that. A Holden UTE, something like that. Anyway, it's pretty clean. Kind of resembles the El Caminos and the Rancheros. This is my Volkswagen Brasilia, turquoise. By the way, I don't have all that fancy stuff like y'all have such y'all cars, but I just got a set up straight table on my kitchen table. That's where I display mine at. Alright, these are my Ferraris. I'm not sure exactly what I'll name these Ferraris are, so I'm not going to just try to name these. I'm going to name the ones that I know. Don't know what the name of that one is. If I pick them up now, I don't feel like picking up the bottom of looking at all of them. Alright, I know that's a Ferrari California. The black one is a Ferrari California. I know that's a Ferrari Spider drop. I know that blue in there with the gold rims is a 458 Italia. It's a red 458 Spider. That's another 458 Italia. It's a white 458 Italia. And that's a Ferrari also. And this car here is a Matchbox. It's a Frischka or something like that. Alright, last but not least, some of my supercars. Lamborghinis. I got two of those. Thought I didn't have it, and come turned out I did pick it up. Guess I didn't remember picking it up, so I bought another one. That's the same type in white. Did the same thing with these two. Bought two of those. Didn't think I had it, and I had it. Didn't realize it until I got home. Alright. The black one there. Got the orange one there. Not sure what that color is, but it's a clean color, I know that. That's a bad boy. It's like one of the cleanest ones I get. And these are my Lamborghini Extiques, however you say it. Both of them, silver and blue. Alright. Hope y'all watch it, hope y'all like it. See anything you like that I got, leave me a comment and I'll get back at you. Holla.